Hey, welcome back to WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. What we're doing today, we're harvesting tiny bubbles on the big plant with 2 pumpkins growing on 1 plant. We have one in the background, it's almost 800 pounds. This one here, Tiny Bubbles, is estimating at 1,400 pounds. Today's August 28th, we're going to the Michigan State Fair. What we are doing is we're placing the lifting ring on here. Kyle Davis sells these. You can get a hold of Kyle Davis, I'll have his phone number on the site. And if you have a really long pumpkin, the straps, you notice the straps are looped around here several times, so you're not having to lift it as high. All right, also, we have lowered this on here, and the Birdman here has got the ring facing so that we can pick that up with the hay baler, what do they call that?
Spike.
Spike, bad spike. Bad spike's gonna pick up the pumpkin. If you notice, we put a sheet down so we don't dent the pumpkin. This ring weighs about 35 pounds. All right, and then the straps are located strategically, one here and one here, so we don't break the stem off. You don't want a strap near the stem, you'll break the stem off. And some people like to leave a vine on so it can suck up water. I'm not really too concerned about that. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the vine. That hurt me more than it hurts you, Tiny Bubbles. And then we'll cut the main. I'm not really too worried about it losing water. It's gonna be weighed in about, what, 6 or 8 hours? What is it? Yeah, something like that. 8 hours, cut her right off. All right, here's the vine. Still nice and healthy. Call me crazy. This pumpkin's probably 1,400 pounds if it goes chart. Probably would have put on another 300 pounds and ended up 1,700. But hey, I'd like to take her to the Michigan State Fair. This is the first time they've had a nice prize purse. And I'd like to share this with the people of Michigan. So anyways, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and run the loop through here, and then we'll lift it up. We'll have a part 2 video. Join us at WorldwideGiantGrowers.com, how to lift your pumpkin.